Hello all and welcome back to another video. In this video I want to discuss how to draft an engagement letter for a basic estate plan. So generally speaking, estate planning attorneys write the same engagement letter all the time, dozens of times a year. So what I did was create an AI script which takes the details of the estate plan and drafts that into an engagement letter, saving you time instead of having to write it from scratch yourself. So what I'm going to do is pull up right here my blog posts on AI engagement letters for estate plans. And I'm going to first show you actually the tool which I have included, which will be linked in the description of the video and is free for you guys to utilize as well. So it's just a little tool. You can fill in some basic details and it's going to draft the engagement letter for you. So what I have here is the client name is going to be James and Carol Whitfield. Okay. It's going to be estate planning probate. We're going to use a flat fee for the arrangement. The rate is going to be $1,500 and the retainer will be, just for simplicity, we're just going to say $750 for signing. And you can include a few details as well. So what I'm going to put here is married couple, both age 54, requesting a basic estate plan. Wills for both spouses, durable powers, both. And then we're going to say 2 adult children, no minor dependents, no trust needed, no complex assets, referred. So that's just a few basic details regarding it. So married couple, both age 54, requesting a basic estate plan, wills for both spouses, durable power of attorney for both, and advanced healthcare directives for both. 2 adult children, no minor dependents, no trust needed, no complex assets, referred to by an existing client. So now that we have all the fields filled in, we're going to click the generate letter button. And while this is loading, I'll just say again, it'll be direct. This URL, this link will be in the description of the video. You guys could access this and utilize this tool yourself. So attached is the engagement letter, and then you can copy that or just select it and copy whatever you need. And it's the initial starting draft for you to work off of, formatted entirely as well with placeholders where needed, such as date, attorney name, firm name, client address, etc., subject, recipients, and so on. And then obviously the disclaimer, which it says, review all terms before sending. This is not legal advice, it's just the initial draft, and you need to utilize your own judgment and discretion as ordinary. But this, you can see, is already just a starting point, which will save you a lot of time from drafting it from scratch. So now I'm going to go into the exact AI implementation and exactly how this tool works. So either you guys could use my tool, which is available in the URL, or if you want to implement this yourself, how you could do so. So above you can see this is a general diagram of how the process works. The user inputs the specific information. That's what you saw me inputting into the tool below. Afterwards, it goes through one AI pass in this specific tool. Sometimes you want to segment the AI into separate AI calls, but for this one we use one call, which you can utilize ChatGPT, GPT-4o, GPT-5. You can use Anthropic's Claude. You can use DeepSeek, whatever LLM you desire, Grok, Gemini, etc. Afterwards, the following steps would just be you need to review it, make some modifications, and then you can send the entire output. So that's what we saw below in the tool. We input the fields, which were all these. We press the generate button. It drafted the letter, and then afterwards you review that yourself, and then send that output. Make the edits and then send that to the recipient. So now that I've kind of showed you the tool and the high-level pipeline of exactly how it works, I'm going to actually show you guys the AI prompt, which we use as well to draft the engagement letter. So what you can see right here is the prompt. It's also linked. It's also in the URL, which I'll have linked in the description of the video, as well as it's available for you to copy if you wanted to utilize this prompt yourself. So you can use this directly in ChatGPT or Claude, or if you're integrating with their APIs, utilizing their LLM from a third party, then you can just paste this prompt in and utilize that in your workflow. So I've talked about this in the past. I'm not going to go into too many details, but generally speaking, you want to start with who you're trying to take on the role of. So who are you trying to impersonate, which is the legal writing assistant. Afterwards, you give a little context of a sole attorney has provided structured client intake, draft a complete attorney-client engagement letter, and return it as a JSON object. I mentioned as well, JSON object is just certain structure, so you can extract the specific values from that structure. It's a standardized structure, which we want output in when we're working with AI workflows. Included in that, we want to include details such as the header, subject line, opening, etc. This just describes the structure of the letter, the tone as well, formatting, and then we want to return as a JSON object. So the first field is the letter, which includes the whole letter, and then missing info is just any info which we're missing, which may need to be required. And then those would be flagged as attorney review required. So utilizing this AI prompt and the flow I just described, you could either just use my tool, which is available to you guys for free, or you can plug that into ChatGPT, whatever AI tool that you're using, and you should get a very similar output to this one, which I showed here. So that's it essentially for this video. This should help you in this should help you in your flows and help you save time instead of manually drafting every single one from scratch. If you like this video, make sure to like it, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in working with me, visit my website. It'll be linked down below in the description of the video as well, where we can book a call, whether you're looking for AI automations, whether you're looking to utilize my new tool, NeoLegal, which will be coming out shortly, or if you just have any other questions whatsoever. I'll be happy to help. So I thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll have another one coming out shortly. Until then, bye.